Top 5 best cameras for vlogging were as follows. 1. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a highly popular vlogging camera, designed specifically for content creators. It features a 1-inch sensor, excellent autofocus, a flip-out LCD screen, and built-in ND filter, making it perfect for vlogging on the go. 2. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a versatile mirrorless camera that offers a 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor, flip-out touchscreen, and dual-pixel autofocus, which is great for tracking subjects while vlogging. 3. Panasonic Lumix GH5. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 is a micro Four Thirds camera with impressive video capabilities, including 4K at 60 fps and 10-bit 4:2:2 recording. It also offers in-body image stabilization, ideal for smooth handheld vlogging shots. 4. DJI Pocket 2. While technically not a traditional camera, the DJI Pocket 2 is a highly portable handheld gimbal camera designed for vlogging. It offers 4K video, excellent stabilization, and a compact form factor that easily fits in your pocket. 5. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a compact point-and-shoot camera that packs a punch. It features a 20.1 megapixels 1-inch sensor, 4K video recording, and a flip-up LCD screen, making it a popular choice among vloggers. Keep in mind that the best camera for vlogging can depend on your specific needs, shooting style, and budget. It's essential to consider factors such as video quality, audio capabilities, portability, and ease of use when making your decision. Always check for the latest models and reviews to ensure you're getting the best option available at the time of purchase.